In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Doordash Dashpass membership. If you're taking a break from deliveries, traveling, or just not ordering as much, pausing is a simple way to hold your benefits without fully cancelling as long as the pause feature is available to you. I'll walk you through what to tap and what to expect along the way so everything feels clear and stress-free. First, open the Doordash app on your phone and head to the account section. This is usually found on the bottom menu bar, and it's where all your personal settings and subscriptions live. Give the app a moment to load your details, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. Next, look for Manage Dashpass. This area is dedicated to your Dashpass membership settings. When you open it, you'll typically see your current plan status, renewal date, and options related to your membership. Think of this screen as the control center for starting, stopping, or adjusting Dashpass. If your account supports it, you'll see an option labeled Pause Membership. Tap that. Not every account or region has this feature, so don't worry if you don't see it. In that case, pausing isn't available on your profile, and the alternative is to cancel your membership and resubscribe later when you're ready. Availability can vary, so what you see might be slightly different from someone else's screen. Once you tap Pause Membership, you'll be asked to choose how long you want to pause. The available durations can vary, but the app will show you the options it supports for your account. Take a quick moment to read any notes on that page, such as when your benefits will stop, when they'll automatically resume, and how billing is handled during the pause. These details ensure there are no surprises. After you've selected the time frame that fits your plans, confirm your choice. You should see a confirmation message on screen letting you know the pause is active, along with the date your membership will resume. From there, you're all set. Your Dashpass benefits will be paused for the period you selected, and they'll come back automatically when the pause ends. To recap, the key is finding the Pause Membership button within Manage Dashpass. If it's visible, select your timeline and confirm. If it's not available on your account, the only path is to cancel for now and sign back up later. That's all you need to successfully pause Dashpass in the app.